How to log into Tesco Employee Portal. Hey guys, in this tutorial we're going to see how to easily log into your Tesco Employee Portal for employees. First thing you have to do is go to your web browser and search for Tesco Employee Login. Then you can click on the first link, ourtesco.com. It is particularly a domain where the employees are able to log into their account. So what I'm going to do is just tap on it and wait for the interface to load. Now, first thing you do is enter your username at tesco.com. So this is going to be your Tesco ID. Make sure you get this correct. And if you want the browser to remember your login info, check this box called Remember Me, and you should be able to easily log into your account the next time you try to log in. Tap on Continue and then just enter your password. Make sure that you get your password correct, and if you forgot it, tap on Forgot Password to recover it. Enter your username. They will send you a reset link or a verification code on your email. Enter the code or tap on the link to reset a password. That is basically it, guys. I hope this tutorial was helpful, and I'll see you in the next one.